before the creation of the world. God, you thought of me? There's 8 billion people on earth, and God, you still thought of me? Do you ever feel like you're not seen, like you don't have a purpose, like your life is full of mistakes and you just wish you knew? God, are you real? Do you even see me? Before I formed you in the womb, I knew you. Before you were born, I set you